Hello everybody, and thank you for being here with us. We are in the beautiful city of Bangkok, and thank you for participating in this channel. My name is rcorella, and I'm from Spain, and this is the channel Learning Business Central in Spanish. But as you can see, we are speaking English because the occasion calls for it. With me, I have a special guest. Please, Freddy, present by yourself.
My name is Freddy Kristiansen from Microsoft in Denmark. I'm a technical evangelist and working in Copenhagen, and I'm responsible for the ALGO for GitHub product. And I promised Roberto here to help him.
We are here because we have an announcement for the Spanish people. We are preparing something special for the community. And what is this announcement?
Well, as we talked about earlier, I promised Roberto that I could do a workshop for Spanish partners who wanted to learn something about ALGO for GitHub. So if you can collect a number of partners there, I'll do a full day workshop.
Yeah.
And Roberto wanted to find the location or the room where we
we are organizing this workshop in Madrid in the Microsoft offices. The date and is to be defined because we need to organize with the Microsoft people. But will be in the Microsoft offices for sure in September.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the idea is to have a full day where we start out talking about what is GitHub and how do you work with GitHub, and then coming into getting started with ALGO, potentially with your own product, your own project. If you don't have a project you want to use for that, I can bring some projects and then we can take it from there and see how far we get, and to actually set something up and learn something about how we recommend people do DevOps on GitHub.
Then it's necessary to have a very high level of knowledge about GitHub, or is not necessary?
Well, most people would have a GitHub account, right? And that's probably sufficient.
Okay.
If you use your own account, your own apps and stuff like that, you might want to have it in a private repo in order to protect your IP. If you're just going with some of the things I'll provide, then it can be public and it doesn't cost you anything. So, yeah.
Yeah, this is for everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody can participate. And then we want to invite to participate in this workshop, and happy to see you there.
Happy to see you there as well.
Thank you, Freddy.
You're welcome.